Welcome to Growth Onward. Once bookings start coming in, this is the screen where you manage them. We'll use DetailDrop, a mobile detailing business, and work through their live diary. This is your booking screen. Every booking you take shows up here, in the order they are due, so the next one you have to deal with is at the top. Each one has a status that tells you where it has got to. Requested means it has just come in and is waiting for you to accept it. Confirmed means you have accepted it, and the customer has been emailed to say so. Completed means the job has been done. No show is for a customer who did not turn up, and canceled is for a booking that was called off. And these tabs along the top filter the list down to one status at a time, which is useful when you only want to see what still needs accepting. Click the name in any row to open that booking on its own. You get the customer and how to reach them, the service they booked, the vehicle, when they are due in, and whether they have paid. Underneath on a garage or a detailer is the condition log, where you mark any damage that was already on the car when it arrived. It sits with the booking it belongs to, so you are never hunting for it. Back to bookings takes you to the list. While a booking is still a request, the blue button is the thing you will usually want, and here that is confirm. Confirm accepts it, and the customer is emailed to tell them it is going ahead. The little arrow beside it holds everything else you can do to that booking. Cancel turns the request down, and the customer is emailed about that as well. Either way, you do not have to contact them yourself. One thing worth knowing about those emails: they go out in your business name with your details on them. The customer never sees Growth Onward anywhere. As far as they can tell, you are simply a business that stays on top of its bookings. To move a booking, open that same menu and choose Edit. You can change the service they booked, and you can change the day and time. Leave, enter any time ticked, and you can type any time you like, which is what you want when somebody rings up and asks for 4:30. Untick it, and you only get the slots you are genuinely free. Underneath, notify customer by email is already ticked, so when you save, they are emailed the new details and you do not have to ring them. Once a booking is confirmed, the blue button changes to complete. You press that when the job is done, and it quietly starts two things off. It asks that customer for a review a day or two later, and it starts the clock on, reminding them when they are next due in. We're looking at a detailing business here, but swap the words and it's your trade. A grooming salon marks a groom completed, and the reminder goes out 6 weeks later. A garage marks a service done, and it goes out at 12 months. Same button, different clock. That is your whole day managed from this one booking screen. Whatever comes in, you can handle it from here.